Your AI is isolated right now. It cannot see your files, your database, your calendar, or your code. MCP changes that completely. MCP is already a silent style that I found matic, professionally as an interning exclusive by a silent burst pian. Before MCP, connecting AI to any tool required a custom integration for every single combination. Anthropic described this as the N times M problem. Unsustainable, fragile, impossible to scale. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol, introduced by Anthropic in November 2024. An open standard that enables secure, two-way connections between AI systems and any external tool or data source. The official documentation describes it perfectly. Think of MCP like a USB-C port for AI. USB-C standardized how devices connect. MCP standardizes how AI connects to the world. One protocol. Any model. Any tool. MCP has two sides. MCP servers expose your tools and data. MCP clients, built into AI apps like Claude, connect to those servers. Official SDKs in Python, TypeScript, Java, Go, and more. At launch, Anthropic released pre-built MCP servers for Google Drive, Slack, GitHub, Git, Postgres, and Puppeteer. Early adopters like Block and Apollo integrated MCP directly into their systems. In December 2025, Anthropic donated MCP to the Agentic AI Foundation under the Linux Foundation presented by the XCPA Ender, two financements, co-founded with Block and OpenAI, backed by Google, Microsoft, AWS, Cloudflare, and Bloomberg. Official Anthropic Ecosystem Update. 97 million monthly SDK downloads across Python and TypeScript. Over 10,000 active public MCP servers. Claude alone has 75+ connectors powered by MCP. Gartner /TNN Euro 3. April 2026. MCP is the must-have protocol of 2026. Software vendors are rushing to provide SaaS-hosted MCP servers for AI agents. Gartner recommends adoption now. Gartner also warns security has not caught up. Numerous security concerns exist in MCP implementations today. Create a security review process for MCP. Implement MCP gateways to manage the risks. MASH MCP is not a trend, is not a trend. Global Stability List MARG. MENCH every P status /intelligent and yom score port MART. EVP Conispact. It is infrastructure. If you build AI applications, you will use MCP. If you build SaaS products, your customers will demand MCP support. Understanding it now puts you ahead of 95% of developers. Are you already using MCP in your projects? Drop a comment below and let me know. Subscribe to Prompt and Code. New videos every week about AI tools and developer productivity.